Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to add audience on Mailchimp. So simply you can see this is our audience tab. So what you need to do, you can see my 4 contacts are added here. So first of all you have to add contacts in case you want to add audience. So these contacts are also your audience. So simply you can see I have added all the 4 contacts here. So here you can see the all settings available, how we can manage our contacts here. So simply you can also add here from all contacts to add your audience. So just here you can see all the settings and options are available here. So once you will add audience, you have to manage some settings to keep them according to your need. So this is the simple way to manage or add audience in Mailchimp.